Hey everybody, it's Mayor Joe Konrad. We're here today with Phil McGeever, and Phil's going to tell us all about an event coming up on September 20th, Classic Cars Off Main. Phil, it's an annual event. Let us know what's going on.
So on Saturday, September 20th, Benson Clean and Beautiful will host Classic Cars Off Main here at Lions Park. It goes from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is our biggest fundraiser of the year. We expect a full house.
And a raffle, correct? There'd be a raffle
We have a 50-50 raffle. We always choose a different benefactor for our raffle. That'll be the Benson Historical Museum this time. And then we'll have raffle for prizes. We have about 30 raffle prizes currently. Some great stuff. Tickets can be bought in advance at Ziering's on Thursday through Saturday, 10 to 4, or at the event. The winners do not need to be present. As long as you put your info on there, we'll contact you.
Very good. Saturday, September 20th, 8 o'clock in the morning, right here at Lions Park.
We hope to see everybody here.
Very good. Usually turn out about 100 entries or so?
Usually about 100 entries. The September show is usually pretty big, so we hope to fill the park. We'll have some great vendors, lots of raffles, a few t-shirts for sale, and lots of hard work and volunteers that we greatly appreciate.
Very good. Phil, I appreciate you joining us here, and we'll see you all next time for Monday with the Mayor.
Thank you.